Since 2008, Icon has built a solid reputation for state-of-the-art engineering, precision manufacturing, and quality fit and finish with our industry-leading suspension and wheel products. Now, we bring that same dedication to excellence to bumpers, sliders, and other off-road accessories with the launch of our Icon Impact Off-Road Armor line. All Icon Impact Armor products are designed for ultimate strength and off-road performance, as well as great looks and unmatched quality. However, we've realized that there are many varying definitions of off-road performance across the enthusiast community. To address this, we've introduced a Pro and Comp series line of impact products tailored for those weekend warriors looking for a simple bolt-on installation, as well as hardcore Jeep Wrangler off-road enthusiasts who demand the highest clearances and most robust protection available. Impact Pro Series products wrap all of these features into a package that's easier to install without performing frame modifications or major surgery to the Jeep's body. Pro Series enhances the Jeep Wrangler platform with the highest clearance, lowest profile bumpers possible without permanent alterations to the vehicle being necessary. All Pro Series bumpers are fabricated from CNC laser-cut plate steel with faceted surfaces to achieve the best possible approach and departure angles with a simple bolt-on installation. Pro Series bumpers come in either top mount or recessed winch mounts, heavy-duty recovery shackle tabs, protected fog lamp buckets, gusseted impact bars, and a great-looking satin black multi-stage powder coat finish. The Icon Impact Comp Series takes off-road performance a step further with products that typically require removing the bulky stock frame horns to achieve an incredible amount of ground clearance and insane approach and departure angles with minimal lift. While this might require a more rigorous installation process that may involve cutting away superfluous corners of the vehicle's frame rails or body sheet metal, Comp Series products are perfect for Jeepers who value hardcore trail performance, low center of gravity, and super strong but lightweight armor. Icon Impact Off-Road Armor is the perfect upgrade for the proven JK and JL Wrangler platform. With both our Pro and Comp Series lines of product available for different build styles and varying levels of trail dedication, Icon has a combination of parts to completely outfit your Jeep with a one-stop shop. When it comes to off-road protection and performance, are you ready for impact?